This is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend that you start by checking for available security and system updates by launching your device's settings. Here enter the passwords security and privacy category, go for the system and updates, and first start by checking for security update, and if there will be a newer software version, make sure to install it. Also check the Google Play system update as well, and if, the update is due, go ahead and download and install it here, and the same goes for the system updates. Then you can also check the list of device admin apps or open the list of device administrators. So here is the list. And see if any application that you do not recall adding to here has this permission active, for example this one, and what your order of action should be in this case is to deactivate or retract this access and then uninstall the app in question right away. And you can also launch the Google Play Store, tap at your profile picture, go for the Play Protect, and here run scan for harmful apps. And if this tool will find any malicious applications, it will also help you to terminate them or uninstall them right away. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.